welcome to my channel. Hi everyone. Today we are going to just go through a journal and how you can practice when you don't have time. Right? We all face that. So I have bought this small 3 by 10 journal, and paper is good. It's 100% cotton. So, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So I'll go through and show you when I don't have time. This did not require drawing, right? So just couple 3 or 4 colors, and these are mainly horizontal strokes. Yeah, 15 minutes, and then try another that is also not. I mean, in every piece, it didn't take more than 30 minutes. I can say 20, 15 to 20, or max 20, max 30. So you see, if there is a big sky piece like this much portion, there's hardly any. So I did wet everything and just quickly dropped some purples here and some red. And this water, this area's water body is didn't touch it. At the end, maybe very light wash. So I'll just go through and see if you like, and if it encourages you to paint more when you have no time. So that is another piece. So you'll see I don't have much drawing going on, probably nothing. But you can draw, doesn't mean. A lot of time people are comfortable with drawing, so there's nothing wrong with that, right? Whatever works. I don't like, but drawing is a must on a bigger sheet, especially if not this. This is probably a longer one, and then I really like one piece, which is, I'll show you when that comes. This is, again, so much big water body and sky. You don't do much. Same here, a lot of water. So I love doing water in watercolor. And then you have, yeah, so I think this piece, I am not done. I just did the very first wash, so anytime I'll pick up and do. This is 4 colors, limited color palette. This is more abstract. This is imaginary. Snow, so snow will have some white, which doesn't need to, but honestly people have different opinions. Some say you shouldn't leave white for snow because, you know, nearby things, they have their reflection or something on snow. So again, hear your heart basically. There's some reflection. Another snow piece. Yep, I love snow too, now that I realize. This is more abstract. Okay, and this has some empty pages. This was, I think, one big one. You can actually do both because papers are very good. This is 140-pound cold pressed. I now realize I have a lot of empty space. This is this. This is, you see how minimal it is. One side some trees, and this side some reflection. So my only purpose is, this is also one big one going on. You can use both sides. I like the size 3 by 10 honestly. Gives you plenty of options to play around for landscape especially. And that's the end. So I hope you like. Invest in these small kind of studies. You get 4 by 6, 3 by 10, different, but make sure your paper is good. That saves your, with frustration. Good pigments, decent brushes, good paper. Well, hope you like it. This is a small video, and please drop comments, like, subscribe, and thank you. Have a great day.